Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show a very tasty chicken starter recipe, which is Kung Pao chicken, a very famous oriental cuisine. So let's quickly start with the cooking process. I have taken here some medium-sized boneless chicken pieces. Now for the coating, I'll be adding around 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Now give a gentle mix. Next goes 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now give a good mix so that everything combines well. And now we will keep this aside for 15 minutes. Next, heat a pan and add some oil to fry the chicken pieces. And when the oil is hot enough, add the chicken pieces one by one into the oil. See to it that there is gap in between the chicken pieces, otherwise they will stick to each other. Fry the chicken pieces on medium flame until they are deep golden brown on both the sides. And now I will flip the chicken pieces. In the meantime, I will prepare the sauce. For that, take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, less than half teaspoon of salt, this is sesame oil. Adding here 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now add a little bit of water and give a good mix. And our sauce is ready. Keep the sauce aside. And here I have taken 2 teaspoons of corn flour, into which I'll be adding a little bit of water to make the corn flour slurry. Mix well with a spoon and our corn flour slurry is ready. And now over to our chicken pieces. They are fried deep golden brown now and are looking very tempting. I'll take them off and keep aside in a plate. Other ingredients required in this recipe are 1 bowl of finely minced garlic, chopped ginger and 3 to 4 dry red chilli, some cashews and peanuts, these are roasted, onion chunks, white part of spring onion and green part of spring onion. I'll be using the same pan as little bit of oil is still left there, and now adding the minced garlic. Saute well. Next goes the ginger and dry red chilies. Adding now the roasted peanuts and cashews. On medium flame, saute well the ginger, garlic, cashews and peanuts along with the dry red chili. And now adding the onion chunks. Give a quick stir Adding now the white part and the green part of the spring onion. I need to shift to a large wok now, as I need to toss when I add the sauce and the chicken. So this is my large wok, and now I will transfer this here. It's convenient to toss in a wok. So for cooking Oriental cuisine, wok is a must. You can also check the description section. I have given the product links of the cookware and crockeries used in my videos. And now I'll be adding the fried chicken pieces. Give a toss. And now time to add the sauce. And on high flame, give a quick stir to all the ingredients. And now time to add the cornflour slurry. Give a quick mix. Finally, before turning off the flame, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. I'll give a final mix. That's it. My Kung Pao chicken is ready to be served. So friends, here is my Kung Pao chicken and my serving platter. Do try this delicious chicken starter recipe. Also share your feedbacks in the comment section below. And if you liked my today's video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Also check out the links of my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.